We about to remove this bumper off this Prius. As you see, we need a new one. This side's good. It's just the other side. This side's already poked out already, so let's take this off. There's a screw here. You gotta take off some screws here too. And the other side, same thing. Pop this off. Screw here first. Screws. And take it off. Alright, got my little screwdriver wrench. Ratchet wrench. And it. Alright, now this one right here, take this off. I could take the whole thing off with this one, man. Whatever. Things on the bumper right here. Last one here. Oh, this one's stripped. Great. Alright, I'm gonna take the whole thing off. Now, this thing pops down. Some screw here. What's that? That is a clip and a 10. Take those off. Okay. 10. This opens. Okay. This one here too. It's a little rusted on there. That's dirt. Maybe it's dirt. Okay. Cool. It's dirt. Don't worry about that. Let me see. Alright, same thing on the other side. Since we're down here already, take off those bolts so you don't have to take off that clip. That clip will stay. It's a black clip there. Now, this one here, 10. Alright, and 10 is not there. Okay. Alright, so that side had a 10. Oh, it's because that's why it's just flash shield there. Huh. So is this one supposed to be here? Oh yeah, I think it ripped off. Great. Probably fell out when the shit got hit. Alright. That's all. This is good. This is good. We have to take that off. Good. Stay. Okay, cool. Alright. Now I gotta take off those screws off the side, that on that side, and we should be straight to remove the bumper. Okay. Take this off. Okay, that's off. So you probably don't have to remove this because the whole thing should come out. You probably, I think I have to. Nah, not really. Okay. Now, should be a screw in here too. Pop this up. Right here, screw. And this one is back there since it's, mashed in there. So let's get a screwdriver. Can we use this? Can we use that? Yes. Alright. Okay. Now let's take this off. Pull this off. Over here. Alright. Oh, and that's stuck to a. Oh, this has to come off. No. So that clip had to come off. Damn, that sucks. I thought it stayed on. Guess not. Oh, popped off. Great. Let's drop this down too. And take it off. Okay. Old bumper.